Hello, Japanese learners! 皆さん、こんにちは。日本語の勉強を頑張っていますか？ Are you looking for the best way to learn kanji to pass JLPT test? If you are studying Japanese by yourself, you shouldn't be. Together is better. I'm happy to help you. My name is Sayaka. I am Japanese. I teach Japanese as a professional. I upload kanji video every day, starting from N5, N4, eventually I will get to N2. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any video. それでは始めましょう。This is today's kanji. At the end of this video, we are going to have JLPT style quiz. So stay focused. The meaning is rice field. On is den. Kun is ta. This is the word with this kanji. Radical is this kanji itself. Go down. Touch. Across. Down. Center. Go down. Center. Across. And touch. Across. Rice field is tambo. Tambo. The meaning is power. On is riki, ryoku. Kun is chikara. These are the words with this kanji. Across, go down, hook. So from here, down, and you just release. 体力、体力。電力、電力。This expression has two meanings. One is have a physical strength. Literally, you have power of strength. Second is have ability, power, or authority. 力がある。力がある。The meaning is a child. On is し、す。kun is 子。These are the words with this kanji. Across, hook, and then you start from here. You kind of have arch, and then hook. To make sure the center, you have kanji 1. 迷子、迷子。The meaning is man. On is done, none. Kun is 男. Radical is ta, rice field, and then under the rice field you have chikara. 男. So you write ta. Go down, across, across. Here, across, go down, hook right here, and release. 男子トイレ、男子トイレ。The meaning is woman. On is 女、女、女。kun is 女。女。So you write ひらがなく and then カタカナの漢字1 across くの1女子トイレ女子トイレ This is not 男女 because kanji together most likely on reading. 男女男女 The meaning is like, favorable. On is ko, kun is suku, 好む. Radical is onna, and next to it it's a child. 好き So you write 女くの一 Then next to it a child. Hook, arch, hook, and across. 好きな人好きな人好きな人 You don't pronounce 好物 long sound 好物好物 Step 4 Flashcards Please repeat after me たた力力体力体力電力電力迷子迷子男の子男の子女の子女の子男女男女好き好き好物好物 Step 5 JLPT quiz You have 3 questions. For each question, you have 10 seconds to answer. Choose the right answer from the choices. The answer is 1番The answer is 3番The answer is 2番 I hope you did pretty good on the reading test. If you like it, let me know by clicking the like button below. I will see you tomorrow. また明日会いましょう。さようなら。